guys, what's up and welcome to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. We're making chicken Parmesan today. It's an Italian classic and it's super easy. If you followed along with the tonkatsu video, it's like super similar kind of process to how we made that. For your ingredients, you're obviously gonna need some chicken. Most recipes will say chicken breast and then you're gonna butterfly them or just cut them in half. But at the store, they had chicken breast cutlets already cut in half. So I just went and got that and it saved me a step. So that was pretty cool. You're gonna need a couple eggs, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, flour. Traditionally, you use marinara sauce, but I fucking love vodka sauce, and what could be so wrong about a vodka sauce chicken Parmesan? Lastly, you will need some canola oil or vegetable oil for frying. And if you want, optionally, if you want pasta with this, go ahead and buy yourself some spaghetti. You know, if you feel like making pasta, I didn't feel like making pasta. I just wanted the chicken Parmesan, so that's on you. First things first, you're gonna get your fry station ready. You're gonna get a bowl of flour. You can season it with salt and pepper. You wanna get a couple eggs whisked into a bowl, and then you're gonna get your mixture of breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese, because this is chicken Parmesan. And then remember what I told you before, you use one hand for the dry ingredients and one hand for the wet ingredients. So you're gonna coat your chicken cutlet in the flour, and then you are going to move it to the egg mixture, which means you're gonna switch to your other hand, and then you're gonna transfer that over to your breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese mixture, get it coated. Repeat that however many times you need to, depending on how many chicken breast cutlets you have. I had 3. You're gonna put some of your canola oil in a pan. I put roughly an inch of oil. You're gonna end up flipping them anyway to get them fried on each side. So if it's a little shallow, that's totally okay. Once your oil is hot and ready, go ahead and stick in a couple of your chicken cutlets. I fried 2 at a time. You don't wanna crowd your pan too much because then you're gonna reduce the oil of your temperature too much and then it's not actually gonna fry. It's just gonna soak in that oil and it's just not cool. Once you have your chicken fried and set aside, you're going to get a large glass baking pan or just a metal baking pan, whatever is deep enough to hold sauce and stuff. And you are gonna put a nice layer of your sauce. I'm so excited that I chose vodka sauce for this. Anyway, you're gonna put a layer of your sauce and then you're gonna go ahead and line your fried chicken cutlets in the pan. You're gonna top them with some shredded mozzarella cheese or fresh. If you feel like being bougie and you bought some fresh mozzarella cheese, you can use that too. No, like, good on you. And then you're gonna put that in the oven and you're actually going to hit broil. You're not gonna bake these, they're already cooked. If you bake them, they're gonna get dry because you literally already just fried them. They're cooked already. We are broiling these really just to get the cheese melted and to get those nice little golden brown spots on them and to get the sauce heated. Literally stand by your oven and check like every minute or so on the status of the melt and everything else like that, because if you walk away, trust me, like, it happens real fast. You will burn things if you broil them and walk away. Once your cheese is nice and melty, has a beautiful color on it, you are gonna take the pan out of the oven and then you're gonna be ready for plating. I got a spoon to put a nice little layer of sauce on my plate, followed by one of the chicken Parmesan cutlets. I topped it with a little extra Parmesan cheese as well as some parsley for color. Ooh, you know when you're little and like you had like family gatherings, but they always wanted to go to like that like local Italian restaurant for the family gatherings and stuff? This is what that tastes like, which is a good thing. Personally, I think the creaminess of the vodka sauce is way more superior than using marinara sauce. That's just my hot take. I don't know if people are gonna come after me for that, but I'm just saying. That chicken is nice and juicy. You got that nuttiness from the Parmesan cheese and the crispiness from the crust, meltiness from the mozz. This is so good. Ultimately though, like, you can never go wrong with Italian food. It's like cheese, sauce, bread, and meat. Like, how's that gonna be bad? Please tell me. Dang, that's when you know it's good, because I usually never clean Plate Club on camera, but there was no time. I had to finish that right now. Anyways, please make yourself some chicken Parmesan. I highly recommend you do it with vodka sauce. That extra creaminess is the move. It's so good. Do it with the vodka sauce. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.